Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys, as always, are having the most wonderful day. Today, guys, I want to show you another Forbidden Planet mystery box. I bought mystery boxes a while ago. I have posted those videos on my channel. If you want to go see them, I'll either link them in the description or they will be on my channel videos. But they did it again. So I couldn't help myself. And I went back and I bought more. Now, what I have mentioned before is they had two types of boxes. One box was a £20 box. It held 6 Funko Pops. I did not get that one because I'm not sure. I'm not a huge collector of pops. I do like nerd. I do like nerdy stuff, but I don't particularly collect pops anymore. So I was a bit nervous to get that one just in case I got something I genuinely didn't like. And I mean, £20 not a big investment, but I decided to go against it. So I bought the $9.99 mystery boxes. And I've bought a couple of these. I may have already posted a video. If not, I will try where I can to link videos in the below this video. I will try to link videos in the comment section below this video or in the description below this video. So, $9.99. Forbidden Planet. Amazing value. I have never got a box that I haven't liked at least one thing in. Some of the stuff, I'm going to say, some of the stuff are not the things that I like, and that's perfectly okay because I buy this mystery box with that as an understanding. But anything I don't like, I either give away to family and friends or I resell. So without wasting time, we're going to get into this box. And guys, just to let you know, on the day of filming, on the day of purchasing these boxes is the day I'm filming these videos because I cannot wait. I have no patience for waiting. So we're going to slice these right open and get straight into this box. And then I'm always a little bit afraid that I might cut into something. So I always try to take the box up and cut from the top up. But here we go. What did we get in this box? I got some tape on my fingers. So let's remove that. And guys, I mean, I can see, you can see, we can see there's a plush in this box. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is a plush. I'm just going to move the box off to the side. This plush is huge. I mean, it is a big plush. It is gorgeous. It's got a little bit of something here, but that's okay. It is massive. It is super soft. It is almost like a swishy. It is super duper soft, and the head is huge. Just like a Funko, actually. The heads are huge. But this little plush is from Kenjiland. Do you guys know what Kenjiland is? Let's see if it tells me anything here. It does not, which is fine. But Kenjiland, if you guys know what that is, let me know. This is a pretty cute plush. The detail is embroidered. That's how you know the difference between a good plush and a plush that is on the cheaper end. A lot of these details tend to be printed. These are not. These are all embroidered and really embroidered exceptionally well. I mean, not one stray piece of thread. Really beautiful plush. Again, super duper soft. For our first item, I think that's phenomenal. I know that Forbidden Planet sell their plushes from £10 upwards. So at a minimum, we have £10 right here. That is paid for the entire box. So anything that we get following that is definitely a bonus. Okay, so this is not a new product to me. We did get this product before in a mystery box, and I may or may not have already uploaded a video. But this is a duplicate for me, and that's fine. I don't mind that. I'm not a Star Wars fan, but I know there are millions of Star Wars fans out there. My husband tends to be one of them. But this is a Star Wars Unlimited Spark of Rebellion 2-player starter kit. And you are playing as Luke Skywalker versus Darth Vader. There are 2 decks ready to play. Inside the pack, you get, so it tells you on both sides the starter deck list that you have for Luke Skywalker. It tells you the starter pack list that you have for Darth Vader. But inside the box, the contents is 110 playing cards, 40 counters, 1 quick start rules, 2 playmats stroke posters, and 2 foldable decks. I know that after my last video, when I got this, I know that I researched this box because I just didn't know the price of it. It is Disney licensed Star Wars product, so it's officially licensed merch, and it was $34.99. I nearly fell off my chair. $34.99 for a starter pack. I thought that was crazy, crazy, crazy money. But obviously these are very, very popular. This deck expands your deck building options with booster packs sold separately. It does say that inside this pack, it includes a full set of 10 different exclusive cards that can only be found in the starter pack. You're not going to find them anywhere else. So this is worth, the recommended retail price that I found online for this is $34.99. However, I would put a value of around £10 to £15, kind of as a resale. So we're currently, in my opinion, we're probably currently sitting at £25. So guys, we have one item left in this box, and normally in these boxes you get 3 items. They say the value is usually worth around £30, but it can be more. So the last item we got, oh wow, this is cool. Let's just move our box right off to the side. This is pretty neat. Inside here we have a Pop Tease Naruto Shippin or Shippuden. You guys can tell me. I'm not a Naruto fan. I do know that my nephew is a huge Naruto fan. And again, at some point we've had a price here. I'm just going to remove that because I don't like when they put stickers on the boxes. I would prefer that they put stickers, they put the price on a label on the shelf. I hate when they put stickers on and there's residue. It drives me insane. But anyway, so this one, I believe, from my nephew, I think this is one of the baddies. I cannot say his name. Is it Okuramari? Maru? Okurama. You guys will know. I do not know. But inside this box, you get a t-shirt. And the t-shirt is unisex and it is a size medium. And then you get this Funko Pop. This Funko Pop is gorgeous. Let me show you the back. This is the t-shirt that you're going to get. It is black with this colorful. It is exactly the same. It is exactly the same picture image as the Funko Pop. And it's a size medium. I didn't know if I said that. And it is totally unisex. So that's also awesome. But this t-shirt is really cool. I love the dark colors. It is beautiful. But look at the figure. This figure is gorgeous. This figure has a sword. I love the sweeping hair, the dark menacing eyes. But even more than that, the snakes are gorgeous. There is a set of 3 snakes. And the picture doesn't actually do it any justice because inside the pack, they are golden snakes. This is a stunning figure. What is even better about this is that we have a special edition Funko. So this is a special edition on top of that. And guys, I don't know what this would sell for, but I do know that in my local Funko Pop, I've seen things like this before. Not a special edition, but things like this before, and they're £20, $19.99 roughly. I mean, I think this was an out-and-out steal. I mean, how did I get all of this for £10? I do not know. I mean, if we even modestly say the plush is 10, the Star Wars game is 10, and even if we say the Naruto is 10, I definitely got the value that they said that I would get from buying this $9.99 box. But I've trebled my money. I mean, I think this is a phenomenal box. If you guys find these boxes in any of your local Forbidden Planet, definitely take the opportunity, get in there and get them. And I'm super interested if you guys have bought the £20 set of 6 Funko figures, Funko Pops. Let me know what you got inside yours, because it could encourage me to go back and buy the £20 box just to see what we get. I mean, I guess if I bought it, I could always give the pops away if I didn't like them or resell them. But I'm definitely interested if you guys have bought one. Let me know what you got in the comment section, please. And if you guys know anything about this little guy right here, comment section below. I would be super interested and very, very grateful. Well, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have enjoyed, please smash that like. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join my channel, I would be so appreciative. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell to be notified of any of my up and coming or previous videos. And feel free to share this video with your family and friends. Guys, thank you so much. I hope you have the most amazing day. Please stay safe. Please take care. And I will catch you next time. Bye.